everybody sleep.
Cars and Coffee is so packed that me and Ryan couldn't even get into it. So we're parked in some random ramp outside of the way. So we're gonna go check it out, but Venom will not be on display. So that's kind of bumming. All right, guys, me and Ryan had to park in the parking garage, just like I said. We're way back there, but oh well, we're gonna see some cool cars, hopefully see some cool people, and we're gonna give it a rip.
We got directed way over to the parking garage.
Okay. How many people are leaving? I'd say it's probably 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, you guys saw us talk to the guards, security, whatever you want to call them. But we're allowed in, so we're gonna go drive over there and we're gonna try to get into the show because there's so many people there and it just, I want to get into the show. All right, me and Ryan got into the meet or car show. I don't even know what you call it. Cars and Coffee car show? Okay. But we got in. Ryan Viper's here. My truck's got a lot of people around there. I will be going to talk to them. So if any of you guys are watching this video, thank you for checking out the truck. And if I didn't give you a sticker, hit me up on Instagram. I'll give you a sticker or at the next car show meet. Red carbon. I feel like one of the Viper guys, but I am the only Viper truck here, so that's kind of cool.
Oh, he saw it. Use that McQueen and go like this. He's hit old guy next to him. That's second.
Alright guys, we just got done with Cars and Coffee, of course with Ryan from Auto Detour. We just are about to head out home. We got some food at Five Guys. We've been hanging out. Minnesota Oxide, we ran into him from Team Stance Out from the last car show meet video that I did. But we're gonna call this a video. So go check Ryan out at Auto Detour. He has a Viper. He's got a turbo F-150 that I'm helping him build, so I'm also
in the works.
Yeah, it's in the works. I'm helping him build that one too. So if you guys want to see me too in a different channel, go over to him.
Yeah.
We got the turbo srt10 back there. But we're gonna call this a video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, keep it boosted, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.